Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge using Jets and Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 17 and I am going to show you how to copy and view a Numpy array for the machine learning practice purpose. You got to get more hands on to this. So basically guys, the main difference between a copy and a view of an array is that the copy is it is basically a new array and the view is just a view of a original array, right? It's as simple as that. The copy owns the data and any changes you make to the copy will not affect to the original array which you initially you code it, right? And then any changes made to the original array will not affect any of the copy as well. So that's how it is. It works in a two different types. The view does not even own the data and any changes made to the view will act obviously which will affect the original array itself. So I'll show you an example of how to copy and view so that you get a clear understanding of how it works. And quite obvious, I am going to log into my Jets and Nano. I have already logged in. This is my IDE and let us create an example of copy. So let me import numpy as np. Okay, and then let's create an array. Arr equals np dot array and a curly bracket with a square bracket 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, just a random example guys, you can put in anything you want. And then x equals arr, we will use a method called dot copy, copy. Okay, that's it, and close the function. All right, and then let's say arr copy from where, then we will put say 0 sector, that is the 0th element, equals to, say you want to say put any number, say 42. All right, and then we will print, say print the arr, that is your array, and then you print your x. Let's see what happens in x. Okay, let me try to run this program and show you what happens. So where is my system? acts weird sometimes, can't help. Okay, now let me right click, run Python file in terminal, and there you go, 42 2 3 4 5, and it's been copied from there. And then we are creating another thing called 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how the copy and the view works. So let me also give you probably another example of view, how the view works. So let's say this particular say the function, the method called copy, right? All you need to do is remove that and put it as view, view. That's it. It's as simple as that guys. Let me just first kill the program, the previous program, and then run a fresh one. Run Python file. Oops. Run Python file in terminal. Man, there you go. and you are able to do that by viewing what exactly it is. So copy and view, it's as simple as that, guys. It's pretty simple, guys. I hope it's getting interesting, and it's very easy. Python and Numpy combination is a magic. It's very easy to learn if you understand the logical sequence and remember those keywords and methods and functions and stuff like that. Once we get into pandas, which is my next agenda, continuation of the series, we will apply all these tricks and tips into pandas as well. All right, guys. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.